Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Bajaj Finance EMI card. First, let's understand what this card is and its benefits. It allows you to convert purchases into easy EMIs. To qualify, you generally need to be between 21 and 60 years old, have a regular income, and a good credit score. Make sure you have your KYC documents ready, such as your Aadhaar card and PAN card. Applying for the EMI card is straightforward. You can apply online through the Bajaj Finserv website by filling out a simple form and uploading your documents. Alternatively, visit any Bajaj Finserv partner store, where representatives can help you with the application and instant approval. Remember to complete your KYC verification, which is a crucial step for activation. Once you have your EMI card, you unlock a world of convenience. You get a pre-approved loan limit, often up to Rupee 2 lakhs, which you can use for various purchases. The best part is converting these purchases into easy, no-cost EMIs, making big buys affordable. You can use this card at over 150,000 partner stores nationwide, both online and offline. Before you apply, remember there might be a nominal processing fee and annual charges associated with the card. Always check the latest terms and conditions. Maintaining a healthy CIBIL score is also vital, as it significantly improves your chances of approval. For more details on the card and other great deals, including a link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video. They are truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.